Oh, you're saying, give war a chance!
I mean, is that not relationship goals? I guess I'm just insane, and a bitey makeout session and a hand job in an alleyway just sounds so tight right now. Oh boy. It would be genuinely wild if the next chapter is just a continuation of the last. I mean, I don't think we could handle that emotionally. But I would fucking so love to see it. Just have this exact thing happen. Use those words. I'm so ready for that. Patreon, Twitter, you know the deal. French fries. Love y'all.
I fucking love war!